Hold on. You ain't Ashy. Welcome back, guys. Hope you're having an amazing Thursday. Hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're looking at a sneaker that I was really worried about, whether it was Ashy, whether it was going to become a sneaker that was bad in quality, but it came out good. It came out well. Let's go and check this sneaker out. So welcome back, guys. Hope you're having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing Thursday. Hope your day is going great and your week is going awesome. Today we're going to check a sneaker out that I'm actually quite fond of, to be honest, and I was a bit worried that the sneaker wasn't going to be exactly like I want it to be. I want it to be premium. I want it to be amazing. I want it to be phenomenal because the colorway is close to an OG, but not an OG. But today we're gonna look at a sneaker. But before we do that, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down. Let's talk about sneakers, and let's talk about sneakers that you want to cop and you like. But today we're looking at a sneaker that is close to an OG, almost an OG, almost amazing, and it actually does become amazing the more you look at it. So today we're gonna look at, hey presto, bang, it is the Jordan 5 Racer Blue. So guys, as you can see from B-roll, this sneaker looks absolutely gorgeous. This sneaker is better than I expected. Trust me, I was expecting something really bad in quality, ashy, all of that stuff. But we'll look at the sneaker. But before we do that, like we always do on this channel, we're gonna check that box out. So hey presto, bang, here you go. This is the Jordan 5 Racer Blue box. As you can see, this is a conventional Jordan 5 box with that red infrared Jumpman at the front, at the top, and then you got all that writing at that bottom with that Jumpman at the corner there on the left, and then you have that cement underbox that goes with the top box, which is black, the top panel which is black. But this is gorgeous. This is a box which always looks great, I love the fact that they've got this box and they've got different boxes with different variations and different patterns with that Jordan 5. If you've seen the Michigan 5s, that box is good. That box is definitely good. But this coding at the front, and I'm going to show you guys the front of this box. As you can see, look at that, guys. That's what the actual label looks like. That's what it should read. And I'm going to read it to you guys. This comes in, as the letter says, Air Jordan 5 Retro, and the code is CT4838004. It says black racer blue, and that's what the colorway is. It's the black racer blue colorway, almost close to the metallics. This is a 9.5. I had to step down to 9.5 to get this, but bang, here you go, guys. This is the box. Now let's have a look at that sneaker. So it's sneaker time. So hey presto, bang, here you go, guys. This is the Jordan 5 Racer Blue. As you can see, it's got a black suede upper. The suede is really soft. It is more like a medium to short haired suede. It runs through it. It's really soft. It is really soft. It's like those Bluebird 5s. If you saw those Bluebird 5s in hand, those have that long haired suede. This is close to that, but not as soft as those Bluebirds. But this is a still gorgeous sneaker. And as you can see, it's got that racer blue midsole interlaced with that black midsole and the shark teeth. Look at those black shark teeth. Nice. Those cutting edge shark teeth that go with this. And you can see that 3M on that tongue is gonna be bright tonight with this 3M, because it's gonna light up the sky. This 3M is gorgeous. This 3M is amazing. And what's something about 3Ms and 5s that absolutely look amazing? So this, as you can see, it's got the inside of that, I'm going to turn it around this way, is that blue insole with that white Jumpman. Absolutely gorgeous. always smells great. And I said, don't smell your sneakers because you don't know what Foot Locker employee actually went in on it. But this came from Nike, and I'm pretty much happy that nothing's done with this, just in case. Yeah, nothing's gone on with this. But as you can see, at the back of that tongue, you've got that Air Jordan with that racer blue inner lining on that tongue, and it is absolutely gorgeous. And on the bottom of this sneaker, you see that racer blue Jumpman with that white iced out sole, and the mesh on the lateral and the medial is white and iced out. But as you can see, there's nothing ashy about this sneaker. This sneaker is good quality. This sneaker is amazing. And I'm gonna show you this, guys. Look at this, the other side is exactly the same. There's no defects, there's nothing wrong with this sneaker at all. And what rounds this sneaker off really well is, bang, that Jumpman on that back. That racer blue Jumpman. Gorgeous sneaker, absolutely gorgeous. I'm just hyping this sneaker up because if anybody knows me, I love Jordan 5s, and I love Jordan 5s. This got my girlfriend's seal of approval as well because she loves this colorway. She was actually looking at this on the websites and she thought, wow, that is absolutely gorgeous. But I don't know if the lighting's going to pick this up. Sometimes that racer blue does turn out to be a bit purpley in the camera, but hopefully it doesn't come out purpley in this actual video. As you can see, that is a gorgeous pair. I'm really happy. I thought these sneakers were going to be ashy. I thought these sneakers were going to come out really bad in quality, but there's no quality defects on this sneaker. I lie, because on this side, there's one little defect which as a customizer I can actually repair, but there's one little defect on this, and if you can't see it, is just that black, a little bit of that black has leaked onto that racer blue, but it's not major. I'm gonna wear it, so it's not major, so I'm happy with it. But it looks like they've airbrushed most of this midsole because there's no real defects, or there's no real brush strokes on this, but the quality is A1. I'm telling you guys, the quality on this sneaker is absolutely A1, absolutely phenomenal. I'm just giving it a quick inspection. There's nothing wrong with it in visuals. Love this sneaker, love this. Very close to the black metallic 5. It is a gorgeous sneaker. I don't care if it's got that Jumpman at the back. I love seeing a Jordan 5, just this shape, just this size, just this cut. It is absolutely phenomenal. Like I do on this channel, guys, I'm going to give you that front perspective, that back perspective, that middle side perspective. Look at that, that is absolutely gorgeous. That lateral side and that sole perspective. This is the Jordan 5 Racer Blue, and let me give you that twirl. Look at that twirl and look at that 3M pop. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous sneaker, and it I always love when a sneaker twirls and gives you that 360 point of view because it gives you something unique. There you go, guys. That is the Racer Blue 5. I forgot to say, this has got the lace lock, that see-through lace lock with that lock being that Racer Blue. It just adds another beautiful touch to this sneaker. So retail, resale, this actually is going above retail at this moment. It seems like this Racer Blue 5 was slightly semi-limited because it kind of is sold out. You can't really get it. It's hard to get. It's not sitting in stores. But this Racer Blue 5 is a gorgeous sneaker. It is definitely a gorgeous sneaker. This 5s, they're making some good effort on these 5s lately, to be honest. Like with the Bluebird 5s, I'm waiting for the Jade Horizon 5s. But this Racer Blue 5 is definitely going to stay in my collection. And I'm going to try and wear this as much as possible because if you know 5s, you know it resembles this sneaker, guys. Look at this gorgeous blue suede sneaker. This could have been the Racer 5. This should have been called the Blue Suede Racer 5. But as you know, very similar, guys. Very similar sneaker to this. But as you can see, guys, this is a gorgeous pair. It's going for above, like just above retail at the moment on resale. It's really hard to get because like I said, I haven't seen this anywhere. I haven't seen this available in shops. So like it's worth checking and worth researching. If you want that Racer Blue 5, I can tell you now the quality is great. My bro Q has got the sneaker. The quality on his seemed great as well. There's no quality defects. It's got a little bit of a indent on the suede at the front, but that's because it's been packed that way. But essentially I can see there's nothing wrong with mine. And there you go, guys. There's nothing wrong with mine here, and there's nothing wrong with mine here. So if you want these, guys, go and pick that sneaker up, because the Racer Blue 5 is phenomenal, and the prices are only going to go upwards because it seems like they've only released a stock and just let it go. It could be one of those where it's a Jordan 6 Bordeaux where they released that and it didn't really come out a lot. It didn't come out in the UK, so I had to actually get mine for resale. But it seems like these Racer Blue 5s could be doing something similar. So if you want them, you should try and get them ASAP, because the prices will only go up eventually over time. As you've seen, all Jordan prices go up. I haven't seen another re-release. I don't know if it's going to restock. I might give it a couple of months if you're trying to get this to see if it does restock. Could potentially restock, because we always expect late shippings. But if you if you do want that Racer Blue 5, I would go and pick it up if you can in the next couple of months, because it is a gorgeous, 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 gorgeous silhouette of a sneaker. Look at that, guys. Look at that Racer Blue 5. Those vibes, those blue vibes is absolutely phenomenal. And you are gonna like this. Look at that. That is a shot and a half. That is a view and a half from the back, guys. Look at that from the back. That booty shot is absolutely gorgeous. Love 5s. Sorry, I'm gassed about 5s. I absolutely love 5s. 5s are probably one of my favorite silhouettes, and like that is a sneaker and a half. But like I said, if you want the sneaker, go and get the sneaker, enjoy the sneaker, wear the sneaker, and it's all about making sure you get the sneaker for retail. So if you want sneakers, make sure you actually go and get the raffles in for them, because they're going to be quite hard to get. The restocks are going to be here, there, and everywhere. And the late shipments are causing those restocks. So if you want sneakers, make sure you go and get sneakers. Make sure you actually apply and put in the raffles for your sneakers, and you will get them. That, as I said, I got that on the sneakers app. That was quite a semi-easy cop. I'm just waiting to see the other releases this month. But Racer Blue 5s, hope you enjoyed the review, guys. Hope you do keep coming back. Hope you do keep supporting. I'm trying to give you as much advice and help to cop sneakers that are this beautiful. Look at that. Bang. This is gorgeous. But thank you guys for tuning in. As I said, normally say on this juncture, I hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and amazing year. And I hope you guys cop the sneakers you like, because you all deserve to get the sneakers you want. From me, TJ at LoveKicksCustoms. Peace out, guys.